If your work spans ArcGIS Online and ArcGIS Portal and you're using the ArcGIS API for Python, it is important to know whether you are inside Portal or inside ArcGIS Online when scripting, especially as the capabilities differ from Portal to Online with the ArcGIS API for Python. And we're going to see an example in this video for domains. So let's check it out. When it comes to the ArcGIS API for Python, not all things are created equal when it comes to Enterprise Portal and ArcGIS Online. It is often good to know whether your script is running against an Enterprise Portal or against an ArcGIS Online organization. So let's show how we can distinguish between a portal and an ArcGIS Online organization within the script. Up top, we are importing the GIS class, and this will provide access to an ArcGIS Online organization or to a portal. Create a variable called GIS and we'll set that to equal our GIS class. We're going to supply in the home string. Because I'm using a standalone script, this home string is going to pick up where I'm logged into via ArcGIS Pro, whether that is a portal or an ArcGIS Online account. So we've assigned our GIS object to a variable called GIS. Then I'm going to check if I am accessing a portal or not. So if the GIS object, we're going to access the properties property, and that exposes an is portal property. So if the GIS properties is portal property is true, now I could set equal true here, but I'm just going to leave it with the colon. Then we are inside a portal and we can perform portal activities. Otherwise, you are accessing ArcGIS Online. So here I can use the else statement and I am inside ArcGIS Online. So I'll go back up to if we are in a portal and I will print portal, and for ArcGIS Online I will print AGOL. And I'll run this script and we can see that we were returned AGOL. So I am currently logged in to ArcGIS Online in ArcGIS Pro. I'm going to head over to ArcGIS Pro and switch my active portal to be an enterprise portal. Okay, that is done. I will rerun the script. And we can see this time I was inside a portal rather than ArcGIS Online. And let me show you an example of where an ArcGIS API for Python workflow would differ from Portal to ArcGIS Online. So up top, I am importing the GIS class so we can access Portal or ArcGIS Online. And I'm also importing a feature layer collection class that represents a feature service. Once more, I'm using the GIS class to create a GIS object, which is assigned to a variable called GIS. I'm using the GIS object content manager get method, and I'd supply in a feature service item ID. The get method returns an item object that will assign to a variable called item. And I'm going to use that item object and create our feature layer collection object, supplying in the item URL as the URL parameter and our GIS object as the GIS parameter. We'll assign the feature layer collection object to a variable called FLC. So here we can see if our GIS object properties is portal is true, then we're going to use the query domains method for a feature layer collection object on the first layer in our feature service and assign that to a variable called domains. This would return a list of dictionaries that represent domains set on the layer. This is only available in Enterprise. So if we are not in a portal, then we are in ArcGIS Online and we have to use the ArcGIS API for Python to grab the domains from each field in our layer to create the same list that we get nicely from the query domains when we're using Enterprise. So we can see with this workflow, it is clearly advantageous to know whether you are working inside a portal or within ArcGIS Online with the ArcGIS API for Python. There are plenty of other workflows where this would be essential, especially when you think about the capabilities behind Enterprise over ArcGIS Online, especially when it comes to the likes of versioning data. We just saw a nice way how we could check whether we are in a portal or ArcGIS Online with scripting with the ArcGIS API for Python. Make sure to check out this playlist up here for more workflows with the ArcGIS API for Python, and be sure to subscribe. Take care.